Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. This is Carla Moore with the day 20 offering of my 30-day creative challenge. It's actually day 24, so I'm behind, but I've been traveling and moving and all of that stuff. And I've determined that I am not going to skip any days for the last 10 days, so I will create at least 10 more pieces before I say I'm finished. Hopefully I can do that within the next 6 days. If you watch my vlogs, then you know that I am back in Canada based on my background. And so you know what is coming for you when it is that the cold start to turn up, because the cold has turned up already. Why am I at the airport and shivering in a shawl in September? Anyways, this is my day 20. Oh wait, maybe it's day 19. Hold on. Can we just write things and not pre? Okay, so it's day 20. And this one is called Wednesday Wash. Okay. I apologize for, without your permission, decorating you with all my expectations, hanging from your t-shirts like clothespins on a Wednesday washing, unforming them and you. I do not think you putty to be molded by my mind. I was excited, cheeks flushed at the prospect of having a holder for all the love I had to share. I liked you, and as is the norm, wondered if you liked me. I never know for sure, and even when I do, I forget. I tried to hang back, to wait, so as not to frighten you with all my yellow glee, sunspot dancing joy. But you would not move, advance or retreat, stagnate, smile or leave, both simultaneously. I tried my own ill-rehearsed moves to take us anywhere but the first day, which is where we have been ever since. Passing time and syllables. I, growing bored. You, I'm not sure. I, wondering if I bore you. You, I'm not sure. A waspish vortex circling me. Yellow, turn black, turn yellow, turn back. Circle me. I had hoped that, well, what matters is I had hoped that you would talk to me, or let me talk to you, or show me something, or let me show you something in return. At the start, I worried that I would have nothing to share. Now I realize that silence is the white noise of everything, talking at once. And I wish, well, it doesn't matter now. I apologize, and from the gray area, bid you adieu. I'm never certain how to extricate myself from the nothing that's been turned into something by my mind. Worse, when it may have been something just in disguise. I do not know how to move at this pace, and I do not want to learn. When I speak to the person I speak to, it must be rapids, white water flow pushing through the spaces between our teeth, up and around mountains, dusty feet down into caverns and up into the sunshine again. So we must chase each other's minds, but I cannot chase what I do not know. And you call me to you and then look away. I will not bear it. For feeling so disappointed in you, I apologize. That is of my own making. I had hoped to know you. It made me mad. So that was Wednesday Wash, and as you can tell, it's somebody who, you know, kind of likes somebody, but it's not necessarily going, and you realize that the poems that are following a trajectory, it's not necessarily going the way that they had planned it. You know, the other person won't necessarily let them in, or, you know, it's kind of a gray area, and then you get to that frustrating feeling of, well, what are we really doing here? You know, I don't know what we're doing here, so I don't really know how to feel about how I'm feeling. And, you know, there's one option, which is to like try to bust the floodgate open, but there is the other option which this person has chosen, which is to kind of just quietly retreat from the situation. So yeah, Wednesday Wash. I will hopefully be back tomorrow, where I will have internet at my yard at that point. I'll hopefully be back tomorrow with another offering. Thank you to everyone who has stuck around, and remember to like me and to follow me on Twitter and to, like, you know, subscribe to my blogs and all them kind of things there. Okay, thank you, please, thanks, bye, enjoy your day.